Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing NBA great, one of the greatest of all time, Kevin Durant of the Brooklyn Nets. Kevin Durant, 6'10", superstar, played for the Texas Longhorns and was drafted second overall in 2007 to the Seattle Supersonics, who later became the Oklahoma City Thunder. Kevin Durant is a two-time champ thus far, MVP of the 2014 season, two-time NBA Finals MVP, the Rookie of the Year, etc., etc., etc. One of the greatest of all time, great shooter. One of the hardest players to defend for sure, a 7-foot guy, player that can shoot as well as he can. So let's get to it. Kevin Durant, let's find the center of our page, and we're going to draw Kevin Durant's head up here. So get your black markers here, pointed tip. And we are going to, Kevin Durant has more of a skinny, long face shape, so we're going to do this kind of a pointed chin and up. Okay, so the cheekbone down to a pointed chin and up. So we'll do a couple of ears on the side. The head kind of pops out. So pop out from those ears, and then we're going to round it and connect it here. So come to the top and drop down to connect to the other side. All right, so Kevin Durant, his eyes are a little bit not as big and round, so we're going to do kind of some cartoon eyes still like we do, but more of a egg shape over here. So oval and an oval, okay? With white, we're gonna leave these two circles white. We'll do another circle underneath. A little arch, and let's color these in. So we'll leave those circles white, those are the highlights of the eyes. And we're gonna fill in the rest with our black marker. And we're going to color this other shape in with a light blue, like we do, simply to add some flavor, some interest to our drawing. So get a baby blue marker and let's fill this in. This baby blue is simply to represent the lights that could reflect off the floor or in the stadium, just to add some color to the eyes. All right, back to our black markers. Let's do the nose. Well, actually, let's do an eyebrow. Go up to a point. We're going to do some slanted eyebrows. Okay. Make them a little thicker, but what we're doing is Kevin Durant has thinner eyebrows that go to a point. So let's do the nose here. We'll do a shape like that, color in these nostrils. Do a rounded shape there, round, and let's do the mouth. So we'll go up, down. So kind of like this, looks like a flying seagull or an M, okay? And then we'll go down. And this bottom lip is just gonna go kind of straight across. This top lip. It's gonna show his teeth. We're gonna leave that area white and color in the sides a little darker black. And we're gonna fill in, he's got this massive beard he's growing. It's like a wannabe James Harden or something. This goatee that does not stop. So bring that mustache down, bring that down. Little whiskers there, and then he's got this beard that is huge and scraggly. So you can bring that beard down. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then kind of flow it up into the cheekbone. Okay. In his hair, he's got Yeah, a little bit of hair on the side, a little bit of hair on the side, and it's pretty thin up top actually. So we're gonna color that hair on top with our black marker. Pretty much have the face of Kevin Durant filled in there. Alright, so let's draw the body. So the neck, so Kevin Durant, as we know, is tall and skinny. So we're gonna give him some longer, skinnier features. So the neck, down, down, to a point. Shoulder, shoulder, curve, curve for the armpit. We'll bring this down the waist, and then we're going to bring this up and connect. Okay. Now let's draw a big basketball as good as we can, a circle. Bring it up high. Just do a big round shape. And up top we're going to draw 4 circles for his fingers, and then a thumb over here as he's dribbling that basketball. And we're going to have his arm just kind of connect into that basketball. And over here we'll do another arm, kind of a skinny arm. And then bring it down, thumb, finger, finger, finger. So we do a big hand, kind of an oversized hand, as if he's maybe reaching out. And it's okay, we're doing these cartoon style. So actually, since he's got such skinny features, let's fill in, almost to make it look like his jersey's oversized. Fill in those armpit areas with black. Okay, shorts. I'm going to draw some longer, skinnier legs. Down, 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 down. Connect those. Let's do some big, huge shoes. Kevin Durant has these long, skinny legs and gigantic feet, so. The tongue of the shoe, here's the laces, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 bumps. And then some just big, huge shoes that go out. Big, huge shoes that go out to the edge. Okay. We're gonna come straight across and stop right about the ankle and connect. Bring that ankle down and come straight across and connect to the shoe over here. Giant shoes, giant clown shoes, right? And basically we have him blocked in here, so let's do the number 7. This is an easier number 7 than most jerseys. Okay, and then the stripes around the neck. Stripes around the armpit area. And those actually come down the side. Armpit rounds out. Bring it all the way down to the waist. And the same with the shorts. There's a line there and a line there. So this is going to be a pretty easy uniform. We're going to color this area all in black. Black shoes. And then watch toward the end. I'm going to use, we'll see how it works. I'm going to use this white. It looks like it's a Prismacolor. So Prismacolor is this brand of colored pencils. We use this white one to color in over the black, just to add the word Brooklyn on top. Makes it a lot easier than trying to fill in the word Brooklyn with markers. So we're gonna press fast forward. We're gonna color this in, flesh color, orange basketball, and then pretty much a black uniform. So thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Kevin Durant of the Brooklyn Nets. Don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos. It lets us know that we're doing something fun and you like our channel, and we should keep going. So fast forward now.